Hi and welcome. In this brief video, I'm going to show you how to register with iHub.global for free. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step details, but you're going to find this so easy to do. And it'll probably take you less than 1 minute to do. And before we dive in, let me just say that I think iHub.global is one of the most fantastic opportunities that I've seen in a really, really long time. It truly can offer you life-changing, perpetual, passive income. It's so amazing. And registering is for free, so there's no reason anyone shouldn't register. And people from anywhere in the world can register for free with iHub.global. It's a true global business. And if you have any questions, be sure to contact me. My contact information is on the screen. And if you're joining me, I would love for you to use my link, which is this link right here. Use this link for you to sign up with. And I do this full time, and I work with and I help my people. So to start off with, the most important thing is make sure you're using the referral link of the person who referred you to iHub.global. That's very, very important. And if you don't have the link from that person, please go back to them and say, I need to get your affiliate link to use so I can register. And they will find their affiliate link at the very top of their site when they log in. Their link will look something similar to this, except right here where it says username, that will be whatever name they chose for their username. So the person that referred you, their username will be right here. So when you put the referral link in your browser tab right here, it will bring you to a page like this. What you do is click the Join Now right here. It will bring you to this page, and now you just click Sign Up Now, and here you go. It will show you who your sponsor is. So this will give you another chance to double check and make sure you're on the right page with the right sponsor. And then it's so simple. You simply enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and then here where it says create a username / URL subdomain, that's whatever username you wish to use. And you can use any name that you wish as long as it's not already taken by someone else. So that could be your name, or it could be anything that you could come up with that's not already taken. Then you click here to select a country and select whatever country you happen to be from. Then you make up a secure password. Make sure that you save it in a safe place. Enter your password here and then confirm your password here. Simply click the button that you agree to the affiliate terms and click this button here to register. Anytime you want to log into your iHub.global site, simply go to this link, my.ihub.global/account/login. And use that to log in to your account. So here we are in the login area. You'll simply put your email and your password here and log in. And now you're logged into your site. Notice that your affiliate link, the link that you will use to share with others to build your team, is right here at the top, your free affiliate sign up page. And if you want to see what that looks like, you just click this little icon here. It will open up another tab. And this is what your affiliate page will look like. And notice you'll have your username in the domain name right here. And the next thing that you want to do is make sure to reserve a hotspot. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video, but it's very important.